I'm a huge dork and I've been trying to solve this problem for a while. How can I display a fog of war map on a monitor that I can't see that's facing my players? So I have this map of the dungeon and I have actually hidden everything into each room as a different layer, and I can reveal the different layers. I'm using Photopea to edit and view and make changes to this Photoshop file. But I make the changes and I save it to the local hard drive. And then my second screen, my monitor, is showing only the areas that I've hidden. So say they're trucking around on the map. I have a copy of the DM keyed map. And I'm like, oh, you're going that way? Here, let me show you what's that way. File and save. And then second monitor shows what I just revealed, the hidden layers that I just reviewed. Reviewed? Shown. Anyway, the magic that is tying this together is Faststone Image Viewer. Faststone Image Viewer can display Photoshop files, and it displays whatever layers are not hidden, but it's also smart enough to know that if the file that it's previewing changes, it will reload that file. So when Photopea changes what layers are hidden and I save that to the local file, Faststone Image Viewer redraws it on my second monitor, because Faststone Image Viewer has the capability of whatever you're previewing, you can preview it on a separate monitor, which is pretty slick. I also wanted to be able to switch from Fog of War map to maybe some room illustrations. So I have a subfolder called room illustrations, so if they get to something, I can display it. I've got a title card. This subfolder actually has a black image because whenever you click on a folder in Faststone, it displays the first image sorted alphabetically. So if I go down to, like, I'm showing them the map and I'm like, oh, hey, you just ran into this monster here, it's going to load the first thing that's in there, and I don't want to, like, accidentally show something. So I've got a black image there, I've got a title card here, and then I can, when I click in that room, or when I click in that folder, it just goes black, and then I can scroll through my different images, which I'll have keyed to the location keys, and boom, it's like, oh, hey, you just ran into this dude, or there's a giant cave cricket, or whatever it might be. So Faststone Image Viewer, Photopea, layered Photoshop files. I'm recreating a virtual tabletop environment with just, random crap that I find, random shovelware and freeware and open source software. It's pretty awesome. Kind of digging it. Obviously, it's not a VTT. I just want to be able to display visual images to my players, whether at the table with me, and be able to do that when I'm staring at my screen and I can't see what's on the screen that's facing them. So this little hack with Photopea and Faststone Image Viewer allows me to do exactly that. And when I switch back to presentation images, the root folder that has the Fog of War map, boom, map is back on there. I don't have to refresh or reload or do anything. I'm just clicking through different images and different folders in Faststone, and it automatically throws it up to my second monitor. Sweet.